The E5 error code on your Hisense portable air conditioner is a common issue that indicates your water collection tank is full and needs immediate attention. This error specifically means that the internal water collection tank has reached its maximum capacity and must be drained before the unit can continue operating safely. Hisense portable air conditioners are designed to operate without water drainage under normal conditions. However, when humidity levels are high, moisture from the air condenses and collects in the internal tank. First, and most importantly, unplug the air conditioner from the electrical outlet. This is a crucial safety step that must be completed before attempting any maintenance. Next, locate the drain port on your unit. This is typically found at the back or bottom of the air conditioner and appears as a small plug or cap, often with warning labels nearby. Place a suitable container underneath the drain port, then carefully remove the drain plug. Allow all water to drain completely. This may take several minutes depending on how full the tank is. Once drainage is complete, replace the drain plug securely, plug the unit back in, and power it on. The E5 error should now be cleared, and your air conditioner should resume normal operation. If the E5 error continues to appear after following these steps, this may indicate underlying issues that require additional troubleshooting or professional assistance. When the E5 error keeps returning on your Hisense portable air conditioner, several underlying issues may be causing the problem. Let's explore the most common causes and their solutions. The first component to check is the float switch. This small device detects water levels in the collection tank. If it gets stuck or malfunctions, it can trigger the E5 error even when the tank isn't actually full. Next, inspect the drainage system. The drain pan and drain line can accumulate debris over time, blocking proper water flow and causing the tank to fill up faster than normal. Dirty air filters are a major cause of persistent E5 errors. When filters are clogged, airflow is restricted, causing the evaporator coils to freeze. When these frozen coils thaw, they produce excess water that overwhelms the drainage system. If cleaning these components doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting your air conditioner. This simple procedure can clear temporary glitches in the control system that might be causing false E5 error readings. Prevention is always better than repair. Follow this regular maintenance schedule to keep your air conditioner running smoothly and prevent E5 errors from occurring in the first place. Sometimes professional help is necessary. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and the E5 error persists, or if you notice refrigerant leaks, unusual noises, or strange odors, it's time to contact a qualified HVAC technician.